At SimpliSafe, your safety is the only thing that matters. So we're constantly innovating our technology and professional monitoring services to provide the best protection for you and your family. Every day, police receive over 500,000 911 calls. These calls need to be prioritized. So SimpliSafe developed a system to combine 24/7 professional monitoring with advanced technology to help police differentiate between false alarms and actual emergencies. It's called video verification, and it helps you receive the highest priority dispatch when you need it most. Here's how it works. When your camera captures a break-in, video evidence of the event is immediately sent to our professional monitoring center. Our monitoring experts verify the threat is real and quickly pass evidence to the police, so you get faster police response. It's cutting-edge technology, pioneered by SimpliSafe. Advanced home security, 24/7 professional monitoring for less than $1 a day. There's no safe like SimpliSafe.